Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to understand today Leetcode question, and that we have is 1768, right? So let's understand today question. Okay, so first of all we have to merge the string alternatively, right? So how we'll do that we will see. Okay, so let's understand this question. So we have given two string, that is word and word2, and merge the string by adding letters in alternating orders and starting with the order word 1, and if a string is longer than the other, append the additional letter onto the end of the merged string, and we have to return the string also. Okay, so first of all we have given word 1 and we have given word 2, in which what we have to do, we have given ABC and PQR, right? ABCPQR, right? Two things we have given. This is word 1 and this is word 2, right? Word 1 and word 2. Now what we have to do after the merge, we have to return. So how we will do the merge, right? So while doing the merge, it is saying the merge the string by adding letters. We have to add the letters in alternating order, right? In alternating order means one by one after one, right? And starting with the word 1, like what we have to start with the word 1, we have to start with this one. So first of all, if you see, first we will take word A, right? Then how we will do that? So if we do the merge, right, first of all it will come A, correct, from word 1, because from word 1 we have to start. After this we will use word 2 later, right? That is our P we have. Now we will go back to B, word 1, that we will get B here. Similarly we will get from here Q, right? Then we will get C, and then we will get what? R. So like this we will make this merged one, and this is your answer. Okay, I think got me, right? So let's understand the code. Okay, so coming back to here, the pointer, two pointer approach, right? First of all, what we will do, first we have two things. First we have word 1, another we have word 2. So word 1 we have A and B, and word 2 have P, Q, R, S, right? So what we will do, we'll start I from here and J from here. So first I will go and then J will go, right? And we will append into result. To do that, what we have to do, first of all I will move to the next, right? From here to next position, right? It will go, and for that it will become I to 1. Okay, I0 to 1, and J will remain at the same position. In that case, from the first letter will come into the result. Coming back to the next one, right? What we have to do in this case, what now word 1 has already written into where result. So now it's time to read from word 2, right? That is the letter P we have. So we'll append into this here. Similarly, we have completed our we have reached at the last one, right? So now we will read this one B into here, and what will happen after completing, J will move to here. So next, in the next loop, right, what will happen, J will move to next. So we will add this one into the result, append, we will append. Similarly, we don't have in the word 1, so we'll continue our word 2, right? We will add R here, and finally we'll add S here because word 1 is not there. So in this case, what will happen, we will complete all our digits into our, not digits, you can say letters, into our merged string result, right? Now coming back to coding part, we have word 1 and word 2 we have, right? So what we are going to do, actually, first of all we are considering that first word we have given, let's suppose A and B we are talking about, right? Like this. So this is our word 1, and let's say P, Q, R, S is a word 2, let's suppose. Okay, I'm just considering. So word 2, word 1, word 2. So I will take this length of this one as a M, right? And this length from here to here is what? N. So these two length we will initially take, so that we will multiple time we will use that. Okay, one will take the string builder here, string builder, and we will append each time, right? How will append that we can see here and here. Okay, so to do that, we know that here we will move, why? I will move from 0 to 1, right? And J will move from here to here. How? 0, 1, 2, 3, right? all three index it will move, right? So first as you can see, I is moving 0 from 0 and j is also moving 0. After that we'll check if I is less than m and j is less than n, right? Either of this one, then we'll continue this while loop and we'll say sb dot append. We'll do sb dot append and we'll append into here. So from words dot char at I at the index, what we'll do, we'll append into sb. Similarly we'll append from where, our word length, right? So from word 1 and word 2, each time we are adding here alternately till the index will reach to the last one. Either it will reach here and either it will reach here. Okay, so that's why we have taken these two if conditions, right? And now you can see sb is now added into the here. So after finally returning, what we have to return the string. So we will not return the object. String builder is a class and we are not going to return the object. So we'll return sb dot to string and we will get our string representation of the array, right? A string. Now I think you understand the code, right? So if m is the length and n is the length of this one, right? So if we are considering m is the length of word 1 and n is the length of word 2, so we can see that we are moving all the loop of m1 and m and all the loop of n, means all the you can say digits we are going, letters we are going. So it will combination of word 1 and word 2. We will iterate over both and we are pushing into the result and we will take of m as a result, right? Time. And for time space complexity, we are not taking extra spaces, right? So for the auxiliary spaces, right, we use constant space, right? So we will not consume as a constant space, right? And we can say that O of 1 is a space complexity. Okay, now coming back to the pointer thing, right? So let's understand, previously we have used 2 pointer, now we will use 1 pointer. How we are understanding the pointer, let's understand. So first we have m1 and m and n. You know, we will have our string builder. So adjective we will use this one, but this case we are moving to I and j, right? Both previously we are using, right? So this time only we'll move to the I. Okay, what we will take, actually we'll find the max length of I and j, between max length of I and j, right? So till where we will go, I will go or j will go, right? We know that we have 2 words, right? First word we have what, a and b, and in the word, and another word we have p, q, r, s, right? So obviously the length of word 2 is more, right? But the length of word 1 is not more. So we know that we will go from I equal to where, 0 to 3, 1, 2, right? And we here what we have 0 and 1. So we know that we already going to 3 length. So why we are making another loop for this one, right? So for that, what we will do, we'll go max between m and n. Which one is max? That till that we will go. In this case, this is the max. We'll go to 3, and we will cover our 0 and 1. So in that case, we will use the same thing. I is less than m, I is less than n, and we'll append from word 1 and word 2, and we'll return sb.to string. I think you got me. If you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment box. And similarly, we have m from word 1 and n from word 2, the length. These are the length. So now we are iterating over m1 and m2. So once we push their letter into the result, it will take what, m plus n, you can say. And that's why we can say that O of 1 is the space complexity. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit subscribe to this channel so that you will get more videos like this. Thank you for everything. Thank you guys.